Shit, so what's up, YouTube? So, earlier this morning, it was not raining, so I had to move my wife's truck and my car off to the side of the road, in the middle of the yard, so I can get insulation blowing in my house, right? So, it started pissing down rain, and I got in the car to go to the store, or I got in my wife's truck to go to the store, and this is what happens.
Big B on the track. Oh boy.
So, walk around the tires real quick. See, that was like, it's probably the only one that's not stuck in something. See, ain't no grip on it either. See, that was sunk down.
Look up under there. It's pretty close to the ground now.
Like I said, I got open road winch, so I have everything connected, wired up. Got a chain around the tree, cable going out to the tree, some nylon cable. It's not bad for what I paid for it. It's not bad for what I paid for it. Thing for this whole kit, so I spent $400 offline. Right now the car is in neutral, or the truck is in neutral. So, see if I do it by myself. If not, I'm gonna grab my wife. So right now, getting tension on the cable, on the line right now. And let's go. Let's see. Supposed to have a 13,000 pound capacity, pulling capacity. There we go, look. As you see, it's moving. Take a little bit, but it's going. I'm scared of that cable snapping though. I never dealt with a nylon cable, so yeah. Let me straighten my wheel up before I hit my car. Oh, man, that shit is bad. Alright, there we go. Wheels are straight. Back up. operation right there. Quick. Quick second and bringing this up level. Turn it back on. Alright, I got the line readjusted to pull straight. Stop, look at this real quick. It's just not rubbing. And this is rubbing. Let me readjust the line. Alright, YouTube, the line is readjusted. We're almost out of there. We're almost out of there. And we out of there, guys. Open road performance. I would definitely recommend getting one of these.